The AK-203 is being manufactured in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh, under a joint venture between India and Russia called Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited, or IRRPL. The rifle fires 7.62 by 39 mm rounds, has a firing rate of about 700 rounds per minute, and works in all terrains. India plans to use it across the army as well as the Air Force.
भाइयों और बहनों, अब कोरबा की ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री में दुनिया की सबसे आधुनिक उन बंदूकों में से एक AK-203 यानी कलांस्कोव राइफलों की सीरीज का सबसे नवीन हथियार ये हमारे अमेठी में बनाया जाएगा। ये राइफलें रूस और भारत का एक ज्वाइंट वेंचर मिलकर बनाएगा।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the plans in Amethi in 2019, following which the Government of India signed a contract worth around 5,100 crore rupees in 2021 to produce about 6.01 lakh rifles in India, along with 70,000 rifles that were imported from Russia. By the end of 2025, the rifle is expected to become 100% Indian-made, with parts such as the barrel, trigger, and receiver manufactured domestically. The aim is to finish all deliveries by December 2030, 2 years before the original deadline of 2032. This project replaces the INSAS and moves India toward full self-reliance in small arms. India's need for a modern rifle goes back several decades. After using the L1A1 self-loading rifle from the 1950s, India shifted to the INSAS rifle in 1990. The INSAS was a 5.56 mm weapon designed by Indian agencies. Over time, problems appeared, including magazine cracks in cold weather, overheating, and frequent malfunctions. These issues became clear during counter-insurgency operations and during the Kargil conflict. Between 1990 and 1992, India also imported around 100,000 AKM-type rifles from Russia, Romania, Hungary, and Israel to meet urgent needs. In 2015, the CRPF began replacing some INSAS rifles with AKM rifles for better reliability. By 2017, the Government of India agreed to retire the INSAS and look for a stronger 7.62 mm rifle. In 2018, India started fast-track procurement of rifles and issued a larger tender for over 7 lakh rifles. The AK-203, designed by Russia's Kalashnikov concern, was selected as the main option. In October 2018, India and Russia agreed to set up a joint venture. It was registered in February 2019 as IRRPL and was located at the Korba factory in Amethi. Production was expected in 2020, but cost issues, COVID-19 delays, and travel restrictions slowed progress. India bought 70,000 rifles directly from Russia in 2021 to fill the gap. Full manufacturing in Amethi started in January 2023. India plans to produce the remaining 6.01 lakh rifles indigenously. The annual goal from 2026 is 150,000 rifles or 12,000 rifles per month. About 1,20,000 rifles per year will go to the Indian Army. The remaining 30,000 will be used for state police, paramilitary forces and exports. Border units will receive the AK-203 first because of operational needs along the line of actual control and borders with Pakistan. IRRPL plans to complete all deliveries by December 2030 ahead of the 2032 deadline. The first fully indigenous batch of rifles will be delivered by December 2025. After that, the rifle will carry the Indian name Sher. Several countries in Africa and the Middle East have shown interest. Nepal and some Indian state police forces have also discussed procurement. Once AK-203 is fully indigenized, India plans to reduce costs and start exporting the rifle.